Hello traders, good morning. Today is the 15th of November 2023. What an amazing trade, guys. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys. If you look at here today, one of my account, I managed to bank $9,025 today, just trading only few hours. And if you look at here, all of my trades, bank amazing profit. You can see here I'm doing very good, mashallah. You can see here. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze all these trades and shared with my traders, so they have also bank amazing profit. All right, so let's look at the most of them trades. You can see here dollar yen and euro yen and pound yen. So if you look at the trades here and pound yen, that was a pretty straightforward this morning. And yesterday we had amazing trade long. So this morning, as explained to my trader, look for if the market is going to respect, then look for this breakout and beautiful bank amazing profit. And I'm going to share my intraday analysis for this one. And let me share with you guys. If you look at the pound yen, still banking amazing profit. So this morning, that was a pretty straightforward, as explained to my trader just before the news, guys. We had a news data for pound dollar, as explained to my trader price action. This is the point of interest. As long as the market stay below this level, take a short trade here. You can see a momentum was bearish. Market nicely broken after the breakout. Market retest. One, two, three pullback after the breakout. And as soon as the bank amazing profit, as explained my trade, it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So you can see here, guys, beautiful short trade on pound dollar. So right, so look at the euro yen, and euro yen was pretty straightforward as mentioned here. My trader, if the market is going to respect the previous high and we haven't seen any candle close above, and that's a good sign. So we have this beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday. Euro yen, that was a beautiful trade, guys. So you can see here this morning, and pretty straightforward. You can see the price action. This is the early sign of reversal. This is the rising wedge. Market nicely broken and beautiful long short trade here. As explained, my trader enjoy amazing profit. So that was the euro yen. We also had a beautiful analysis and the trade on dollar yen. So if you look at the dollar yen, pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, look for pullback. We had such a nice beautiful short trade here. So after that we were expecting a pullback, and even now you can see the market has developed bearish engulfing candle. That's the good sign of continuation. So let me share with you how I analyze the inventory. That was a pretty straightforward. I think most of the traders still holding short. Let me explain to you. That was a beautiful price developed a symmetry triangle pattern. Based on that, the market nicely broken. As soon as the market hit this level, that's the previous high was broken. As explained, my trader consider banking some pips and look for another correction and one more push downside, which is the market is developing it. So you can see, guys, how we analyze the market today and bank amazing profit. So if you would like to make these type of profit every single day, as you have seen, all of my trades has been shared with all of my traders, and if you are interested to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trading community. All the best. See you next time.